Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. I am tasked to brief you about the criminality situation here in Calbayo. The sequence of my presentation as shown: the criminality situation, the crime analysis, plans, issues and concern, and assessment. On the criminality situation, Calbayog City Police Station has recorded 436 crime incidents for the period covering from January 2014 to December 2014, with a difference of 72 incidents as compared to the same period of the previous year, which recorded 365 incidents with an increase of 19.78%. For the index crime, there is an increase of 68 incidents that is equal to 32% from 280 for the period covering from January 2014 to December 2014 as compared to the previous year 2013, which is recorded at 212 incidents. While for the non-index crime, 4 incidents increased. For the non-index crime, 4 incidents increased, which is equal to 1.31% increase from the total of 156 incidents for the year 2014 recorded as compared to the same period for the year 2013, which recorded 152 incidents. For the information, crime volume is the total crime incident reported and recorded, which is the index crime, yan nakikita natin, and plus the non-index crime, while the index crime refers to the crime committed against person and property or in violation of the revised penal code, while non-index crime refers to the crime committed in violation of special laws and other ordinances. Shown is the comparative crime distribution for the same period in the year 2013 and 2014. For the index crime, physical injuries recorded the highest crime incident, which pegged at 81 incidents the year 2013, while theft recorded at the highest incident, which recorded to 93 incidents in the year 2014. The second highest recorded incident, theft recorded the second highest incident in the year 2013, which recorded 49 incidents, while physical injuries for the year 2014, which recorded 77 incidents. For the index crime, ito yung crime against persons and properties. Crimes against person, there is an increase of 1 incident, which is equal to 0.74%, from the year 2014, which recorded 137 incidents as compared to the same period for the year 2013, which recorded 136 incidents. On crimes against property, there is an increase of 67 incidents for the year 2014, which recorded 143 incidents as compared to the same period of the previous year 2013, which recorded only 76 incidents, which is equal to 88.16% increase. On index crime distribution by month, on crimes against person, physical injuries recorded the highest incidents, which recorded 22 incidents in the month of February, while the same month recorded a total number of incidents of crimes against person with total to 25 incidents. Offense recorded the highest incident, which total to 77 incidents for the whole year 2014. However, the same offense which physical injuries recorded in the month of December 2014 has the lowest number of incidents reported, which 1 incident of physical injury as compared to the crime against person for the same month. While on crimes against property, for the same period, 2014, for the month of January, theft recorded the highest incident reported, which is 24 incident and total to 26 crimes against property, including robbery and carnapping. Here is theft of motorcycle incident for the same month. Theft was also recorded as the highest crime incident recorded from January to December 2014, which is 93 crime incidents. Crime distribution by time, crimes against person, physical injuries recorded the highest incident, which is 24 incidents and occurred during 6 p.m. to 9:59 p.m. While homicide recorded the lowest crime incident reported that occurred during 10 p.m. to 1:59 a.m. also in 6 a.m. to 9:59 a.m. while also one incident of rape recorded the lowest incident during 2 a.m. to 5:59 a.m. Crime distribution by time, crimes against property, theft recorded the highest incident recorded that occurred from 6 a.m. to 9:59 a.m. which recorded 25 incidents. However, the recording of the actual incident of the crime of theft cannot be determined, and the recording as shown in the crime distribution by time only upon complaint of the victim. Theft incident as reported from 6 a.m. to 9:59 a.m. may actually occur during night time. Crime solution efficiency and crime clearance efficiency. Crime solution efficiency for the crime volume of 364, yung total crime po natin, the year 2013 is 16.48%. As compared to the crime solution efficiency for the crime volume of 436 for the year 2014 is 29.82%. Has a variance of 13.34% crime solution efficiency. However, the crime clearance efficiency, the crime cleared for the year 2013 is 71.70% as compared to the year 2014, which is 41.51% with the variance of 30.19% total crime clearance efficiency. The average monthly crime rate for the year 2013, the average monthly crime rate is 17.45 as compared to the year 2014, which is 20.90 and has a variance of 3.45, which is equal to 19.77%. However, in the average monthly index crime rate in the year 2013 has 10.16 as compared to the year 2014, which has 13.42 with a variance of 3.26, which is equal to 32.09%. As shown is the crime committed with the use of firearms. So, in the year 2013, there are 48 incidents committed with the use of firearms, while in the year 2014, there are 44 incidents committed with the use of firearms, highest of which is murder. On the crime with the use of firearm, the year 2013 is recorded 48 incidents, while in the 2014 it's recorded 54 incidents with a variance of 6, which is equal to 12.5%. Shown is the crime clock. On the crime volume of 436, one crime is committed every 20 hours, 5 minutes, and 24 seconds. While for the index crime, one index crime is committed every 1 day, 7 hours, and 12 minutes. While for the non-index crime, one non-index crime is committed every 2 days, 8 hours, 9 minutes, and 36 seconds. For crimes against person, murder is committed every 8 days, 7 hours, 12 minutes, and 17 seconds, not minutes, while homicide is committed every 2 months. Physical injury is committed every 4 days, 17 hours, 45 minutes, and 36 seconds. While rape is committed every 1 month and 4 days, 19 hours, and 12 minutes. On crimes against property, robbery is committed every 11 days, 18 hours, 28 minutes, and 48 seconds. While theft is committed every 3 days, 22 hours and 4 minutes and 48 seconds. And kidnapping is committed every 19 days, 5 hours, 2 minutes, and 24 seconds. On the crime prevalence, murder cases are mostly perpetrated with the use of firearms and more pronounced between 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning. Homicide posted with 6 incidents and more pronounced between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. While physical injuries posted with 77 incidents and are mostly committed between 6 o'clock in the afternoon to 10 o'clock in the evening. While rape cases is posted at 10 incidents and prevalent between 10 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. On robbery cases posted at 31 incidents and prevalent between 2 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the morning. Theft posted at 93 incidents and prevalent between 6 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the morning. While kidnapping is posted at 19 incidents and prevalent between 2 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the morning. So, shown is the law enforcement anti-criminality drive. Conduct of police checkpoint, and strictly implement the no plate, no travel policy. Police visibility through mobile patrol and foot patrol. Conduct of Operation Bakal Sita to night spot places. Establishment of police assistance desk. Conduct of pulong-pulong to different barangays and school for crime and illegal drug prevention. And intensified operations against violators of special laws and arrest of wanted persons. On is our plans. Arrest of the 7 most wanted persons listed in station top 10 most wanted persons. Arrest of top 10 drug personalities listed in the watch list. Anticipate the enforcement of city ordinances, especially those ordinances that concern the peace and order in the city, and implementation of search warrants against loose and licensed firearms to minimize incidents involving firearms. Issue and concern depleted personnel strength to effectively implement the police integrated patrol system. For all you know, the Calbayog has 70 personnel manning the 157 barangays. But we are augmented with 2 platoons of PPEC based in Kara, and others are in police station. On our assessment, under the serbisyong makatotohanan of the Chief PNP Police Director Alan Lamadrid Purisima, that all incidents reported in the police stations and other enforcement agencies shall be recorded and reported to higher office through e-blotter. The adoption and implementation of police blotter system was adopted last June 2014, and it was succeeded by some workshop. The station got the real and true crime situation. Cooperation of the civilian populace as well as the community at large is paramount in fighting insurgency and criminality. And peace and order situation in Calbayog City remains manageable and generally peaceful. That's end my presentation, and good morning.